Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 Show, live location in my crib with part 7. Okay, I want to apologize on the last part. I told y'all I was going to be right back with part 6. Well, I just finished with part 6. My mistake, everybody. Okay, excuse me. Drool, I don't know why the hell I did that. But anyway, I want to say I apologize for that. But anyway, never mind all that. Okay. So there's gonna be more videos to come, okay? More where this come from, more where that come from, you know. All right, so check out these clips and stuff like that with family, friends, and everybody, okay? All right. Catching none of that. I'm just gonna take film. That's all. Everybody's having a good time out here. Good old music that people like to listen to. I like this kind of music myself. I wonder, okay, now.
Video too?
Yep.
Okay.
For video all 3. All right, what y'all want to say?
I don't know. Just say hi. I'm Charlie Twin.
Oh, who that? Okay. All right. So I'm about to stop to take so I can take a picture of y'all.
Sure.
Okay. All right. I'm about to stop the tape. Oh. What's up, y'all? This Dominoes 7 here. We got the folks. Y'all don't want to be on the show, huh? Y'all don't. Oh, all right. I ain't gonna put them on the show. It's serving food and everything. So there's a party in here. Well, let me stop this tape. All right. That was Brandy's song, Best Friend. No copyright infringement on that one. Kind of messed up because I put the first stop on. 97. God bless them. Everybody's doing. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the show. Got my guest right here. You saw him already. Hey, Riley, yeah. How can I forget her name, folks? All right, so what you want to say?
16 of them. I said I'm gonna text it, but I'll email it to you once I get to my house.
Look at Naomi. You're on TV. Say hey. And here's a new member of the family.
Then I'll email.
All right. So what you want to say? Nothing. All right. Nothing. They try you. He got nothing to say, huh? All righty.
That's nice, though. We got it on our phone.
All right. So, yeah, I'm enjoying myself so far. Nailah.
Where we going at, man?
Today,
Where we going? There was all my kids last night, bro.
Well, all right. I'm gonna stop this tape.
Well, she got a step.
All right. So we'll be right back after these messages.
but you had a safety pin, though, huh?
But I kept standing around for your birthday, baby.
Oh, I had did something.
All right, welcome back to the show.
Remember when I did one of like,
Welcome back to the show. Okay. Get ready to sing happy birthday.
yeah, you gonna be. Richard just drink
All right.
Hurry up, Dad.
Well, what's up?
You wanna hold your camera, Brian?
Huh?
You want me to video? It's your birthday.
Oh, I'm gonna do that for right now. Huh.
Josh, you go look on the chance see if you see my black mask.
All right, so.
I don't see it.
It's the same time.
It ain't that. It was a plain one. I had put in here.
For what you doing? Acting crazy. He acting crazy, everybody. Oh, and I can't believe Janai ain't here. I'm disappointed.
No, she up talking about her people.
On our father's side of the family.
They got candles, y'all?
No candles, I couldn't find none. We don't have no more, actually.
You want to take this home?
Alright, look at that.
You want me to take that?
I wanted to take a picture of it.
Okay, take a picture of it.
Alright, I'm gonna do it with this camera. I'll do it with this camera. Let me take a picture of it.
It's a nice cake. What you got that from?
Brown and brown.
Oh, okay. Alright.
You got it?
Wait, let me see.
Happy birthday, brown and brown. Brown, how old are you?
Give me a knife.
Yeah. How old are you?
Give me a knife so I can cut the cake right quick.
Huh?
Alright.
You need 37 here?
No, 36.
36,
You supposed to 37 the other day.
Oh, I must have slipped. Alright. I must have slipped. Okay. Y'all ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brian and Bride. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you?
36.
How old are you?
36.
Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And many more. Thank y'all very much. Alright. Yeah, Naomi enjoyed us. So you enjoyed yourself, baby? Yeah, you on TV? Alright. Hey. Oh, okay, right there. Alright. Anybody else that couldn't make it, y'all sure missed one heck of a day.
You want a big piece, bro? Bro? You want a big piece?
Alright. Well, I'll be right back. Bro, you can eat that upstairs if you want. Alright. Right back with the final thoughts. Yeah, that was lots of fun. Okay, I say to everybody and stuff like that, I didn't know what I was going to broadcast, you know. Okay, so I really enjoyed being at my uncle's birthday party and putting clips of my birthday party, well, one more clip of my birthday party and stuff like that, you know. Yes, indeed. Rest in peace, Uncle Isaac. You are truly missed, okay. And this next clip, crazy, goofy Nailah, okay, she's cuckoo. She's crazy. You understand? I don't understand what the heck she's saying. She is so crazy. She's goofily crazy. Alright, check out this clip. What about to stop the tape on this camera phone?
Huh?
About to stop the tape on this camera phone.
Ooh, I'm using your computer.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, I sure like you say poo poo boo. I can't believe that. I never get. I like when you say that.
Oh, you just know that poo-poo booty.
Or should I say poo poo dollar?
No.
Huh.
That's telling people my name now.
But
That's not my name. My name is Shaquinda. My name is Shaquinda.
don't lie.
That is my name.
Everybody know my real name anyway. It's Brian.
Brian Dominoes 7.
Okay, everybody know that.
Brian Dominoes 7.
Okay.
Reporting news, Channel 4 News. We're here to report that Dominoes. Why you got that camera so close to my face?
Because I wanted to.
No. Brian Dominoes 7 has robbed the bank.
Oh, don't say that.
He robbed the bank. He robbed the bank. We're gonna find him. We're gonna kidnap him and take all his money.
kidnap all my money. I don't.
All his money. We're gonna take all Dominoes 7's money.
Oh, shut up.
Yes, we is. Yes, we is. Oh, yes, we is.
Wow, we girl.
Wait,
I
I should
don't-
have been an actress, huh?
Yeah, you are extra so far. Look at this, folks. Unexpected glitch. Look at this, y'all. This. I don't know why this is being shown like this. The camera will focus right there, you go. Y'all see that, folks? And if the camera would focus right, at least my other camera focusing right. Oh, look at that. Yes, indeed. After enjoying that, then I also put in there unexpected glitch when I was playing Sonic 3. Yes, indeed. That was totally unexpected glitch. With that, I didn't know what to expect. So I kept the camera on. Well, I recorded it. Time was running out and stuff like that. Ran out of rings. It was stuck like that. Yeah. Sega Genesis. You never know what kind of glitch that'll bring. Just like with Mario 3 and everything. Okay. Alright, so this is part 7, I do believe. I'll be right back with part 8, okay? The last segment for the day, okay? The last part of the day, and then I'll continue tomorrow. So one more part after this, okay? Alright.